Kansas City, Missouri was home of this year's Woodworking in America conference. Hundreds of woodworkers and enthusiasts from around the world met in this barbecue mecca for 2.5 days of classes and events and to meet more than 35 vendors in the marketplace. Highland Woodworking was on site to interview tool makers, take video of classes, and to bring the conference to you. With over 70 classes offered at this year's WIA, attendees were able to learn from the best in the business on a wide range of woodworking topics. Unplugging the shop was a running theme in a number of classes with instructors such as Tom Fidgen teaching resawing by hand, Vic Tesselin explaining how to run a completely unplugged shop, and Scott Meek demonstrating three-dimensional shaping with rasps. Other classes included designing and making your own jigs and power tools out of wood, creating custom patinas, and many more from turning, carving, cabinet making, and so on. The marketplace floor featured over 35 vendors from around the world showing off the latest in woodworking technology as well as modern approaches to the traditional. Chris Vesper of Vesper Toolworks in Australia, Bad Axe Saws, lie-nielsen, SawStop, Blue Spruce, and Festool were just a few of the vendors in attendance. Stay tuned to the Highland Woodworking channel for video excerpts from classes as well as product demos from vendors. We'll see you next year at Woodworking in America or every day at Highland Woodworking in Atlanta, Georgia, or online at www.highlandwoodworking.com.